Now, very often I made this egg recipe at home and I had no clue that this is known as Egg Shakshuka, a Middle Eastern dish made for breakfast. Now, the beauty of this dish is the rich tomato sauce that is made as a base, and on top of that, there are poached eggs with a sprinkle of fresh herbs and pepper. Okay, now this is my version of Egg Shakshuka and I will show you how I make it. So let's get started. So that's it. It was that simple to make this egg shakshuka. Do try this out at home if you haven't tried this recipe. Try and make the tomato base tangy, and I especially don't like too much tangy. That's the reason I don't use the canned tomato. I use the fresh tomato. Now the Middle Eastern style is with the red bell pepper which they add, but I haven't made it with bell pepper. Now this is my version of this egg shakshuka. You can try another version, or probably I will make the perfect authentic Middle Eastern egg shakshuka. Okay, so do let me know in the comments below if you want me to make that. Okay, but honestly, try this recipe, eat it with a toasted bread, or you can eat it with pav. Have a cup of coffee or tea or green tea, whatever you like it. Okay, but try this recipe, it will make your breakfast perfect. Okay, so till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time with a new recipe and a new video. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, and please hit the like button so that I know you like this video. Till then, bye bye.